If you drive a Volkswagen, there's a good chance you're missing features your car already has. Features that can make daily driving easier, improve comfort, and help you avoid small mistakes that turn into expensive repairs. The problem isn't that your VW doesn't have them, it's that they're buried in menus, hidden behind button combinations, or never properly explained at delivery. In this video, I'm going to show you 15 hidden Volkswagen features that most owners never discover. I'll keep it simple and practical. Where to find each one, how to turn it on, and what it's actually useful for. So you can try them right away and decide which ones are worth using in your own car. Let's start with the features. Feature number 15, reverse rain assist rear wiper swipe when you shift to reverse. Have you ever tried reversing in the rain and your rear window is basically useless? Like you're backing up through a fogged up TV screen? Many Volkswagens have a feature that quietly solves that. If your VW has a rear wiper, Tiguan, Golf, T-Roc, Touareg, etc., it can automatically do a rear wiper swipe the moment you shift into reverse, as long as your front wipers are already on. It's one of those small features that feels like nothing until you use it once, and then you want it every time it rains. Turn on your front wipers, any speed, shift into reverse. Watch the rear window. Many VWs will do one automatic rear swipe. Why it's useful? Because the worst moment to lose visibility is when you're backing up near a wall, a pole, or someone walking behind the car. This gives you a cleaner rear view exactly when you need it most. No worries, some VWs don't have it, and in some, it's controlled by a setting like rear wiper in reverse. If you don't see it in the menu, just move on to the next feature. Feature number 14, reverse mirror dip parking, assist you didn't know you had. If you've ever parked next to a curb and you're thinking, I hope I'm not about to scrape the rim, this feature is made for you. On many Volkswagens, the passenger side mirror can automatically tilt downward when you shift into reverse, so you get a clear view of the curb and the parking line without leaning forward or guessing. Here's how you check it. Turn the mirror selector to the passenger side, then shift into reverse. If your VW supports it, the mirror angle will drop down right away. When you shift out of reverse, it returns to your normal position. And the best part is once it's set, it becomes one of those features you don't think about. You just park cleaner and faster every time. Feature number 13, comfort turn signals. Change how many times it blinks. You know that light tap on the indicator when you're changing lanes, and your VW blinks a few times automatically? Most owners never realize you can often change that blink count. It sounds small, but it changes how the car feels every day. If your signal cancels too early, you end up tapping it twice. If it blinks too long, you're canceling it manually. Volkswagen usually lets you set it the way you like. To find it, go into your vehicle settings and look for something like comfort turn signal or lane change flash. Depending on the model, you can choose a lower or higher number of blinks. Once you set it, lane changes feel more natural. One tap, perfect amount of flashing, done. Feature number 12, remote windows. Open or close windows with your key fob. This one is pure convenience, and once you start using it, it becomes a habit. Many Volkswagens can control the windows from the key fob, so if your car has been sitting in the sun, you can air it out before you even sit down. And if you walk away and suddenly think, did I leave a window slightly open? You can usually fix it without going back inside the car. Here's the test. Stand near your VW and press and hold unlock. On many models, the windows start rolling down. Press and hold lock, and they roll back up. If it doesn't work the first time, check your vehicle settings for convenience openings, closing. The name can vary. Some cars have it disabled by default. Feature number 11, wiper service position. Lift your wipers without fighting the hood. If you've ever tried to lift the wiper arms on a Volkswagen and they barely move because they're tucked under the hood, this is why. Many VWs have a wiper service position that moves the wipers up on the windshield so you can lift them safely. It makes blade changes easier, and it's also handy for cleaning the windshield properly. To activate it on a lot of models, turn the car off and, within a few seconds, tap the wiper stalk down once. The wipers should swing up and stop in a higher position. When you're done, turn the ignition on and do a quick wipe to reset them back down. If your VW doesn't respond to that method, look in your settings for service position or wipers, because some infotainment systems include it there. Feature number 10. Auto hold stops the car from creeping in traffic. If you drive in city traffic or you stop a lot on slopes, this feature makes your Volkswagen feel calmer and more controlled. It's called auto hold. When it's on, you come to a complete stop, and the car stays held in place without you keeping pressure on the brake pedal. No creeping forward in bumper-to-bumper traffic, and no rolling back on an incline. When you press the accelerator, it releases smoothly and you move off. On many Volkswagens, there's an auto hold button near the electronic parking brake, or you'll see an auto hold indicator in the instrument cluster when it's active. If you have it, try it for a day in traffic. You'll notice the difference immediately. Feature number 9. Coming home or leaving home. Lights. Automatic light when you park and unlock. At night, most people unlock their car and walk up in the dark, but many Volkswagens can light up the area for you automatically. This is usually called leaving home and coming home lights. Leaving home turns on the headlights, or exterior lights, when you unlock the car so you can see where you're walking. Coming home keeps the lights on for a short time after you park and lock the car, so you're not stepping away into darkness. You'll usually find it in the vehicle lighting settings. Look for coming home/leaving home and a timer so you can choose how long the lights stay on. It's subtle, but it makes a big difference in dark streets, parking garages, and driveways. Feature number 8. Heated mirrors. They often turn on with the rear defroster. In rain or cold mornings, a lot of people focus on clearing the windshield, but the side mirrors are usually what stay blurry the longest. And that's where many Volkswagens have a hidden convenience. The heated mirrors often activate when you turn on the rear window defroster. So instead of hunting for a separate mirror heat button that doesn't exist, just press the rear defrost button. On many VW models, that also starts warming the mirrors, helping clear fog and water faster. A quick way to confirm it: turn on the rear defroster and give it a minute. Your mirrors should start clearing noticeably. Also, in many cars, it switches off automatically after a set time, so you're not running it longer than needed. Feature number 7. Adaptive driving mode or individual mode. Set the car to your style. A lot of Volkswagen owners drive in the default mode forever and never realize the car can be tuned to feel different without any modifications. If your VW has driving mode selection, like Eco, Normal, Sport, or Comfort, there's often an individual mode where you can mix and match settings. That means you can keep steering light and comfortable, but make the throttle sharper, or do the opposite if you want smoother driving. Go into your driving modes and look for individual, sometimes called custom. Inside, you may see options like steering, drivetrain/throttle response, ACC behavior, or climate strategy depending on your model. Once it's set, you can switch into your preferred setup anytime with one button or a quick menu tap. Feature number 6. Selective door unlocking, driver door first, or all doors. Here's something you've probably noticed but never adjusted. Sometimes you press unlock and only the driver's door opens first, and other times, everything unlocks. On many Volkswagens, you can choose the behavior you prefer. Driver door only on first press, more secure when you're alone or in busy areas. All doors unlock at once, more convenient when passengers are waiting. You'll usually find it in the vehicle settings under central locking, door locking, or opening and closing. Toggle it once, and the car will behave the same way every day. No confusion, no double pressing out of habit. Feature number 5, emergency key and backup start when your key fob battery dies. Most people only learn this one at the worst time, when the key fob battery is weak and the car suddenly doesn't unlock or start the way it normally does. In many Volkswagens, your key fob has a hidden mechanical key inside it. You can slide the small release on the fob, pull the key out, and use it to unlock the driver's door through the key cylinder. And even if the fob battery is low, a lot of VW models can still start the car using the backup sensor. The car can read the key when it's very close, usually by holding the fob near the steering column area or placing it in the designated spot, depending on the model. The goal is simple. You're not stranded just because a small battery is weak. Feature number 4, automatic door locking. Locks while driving, unlocks when you stop. This is one of those set it once and forget it features that makes your Volkswagen feel more secure and more convenient at the same time. Most modern VWs can lock the doors automatically once you start moving, and many can also unlock automatically when you switch the ignition off, so you're not manually locking and unlocking every trip. You'll usually find it in the vehicle settings under central locking or door locking with options like auto lock at a certain speed, auto unlock when the key is removed/ignition is off. Choose the behavior that fits your routine, and your VW handles the rest. Feature number 3, vehicle status screen, quick health check without guessing. A lot of Volkswagen owners ignore the information the car is already trying to give them because it's tucked away in a menu and most people never open it. Look for a section called Vehicle Status, Car Status, or sometimes Info, Your Service, depending on your screen. This is where your VW usually shows the important stuff in one place. Warning messages, service reminders, oil/service intervals, and sometimes things like bulb faults or system alerts. Instead of waiting for a dashboard light to surprise you, this screen lets you check what the car is reporting in plain language, especially helpful before a long drive. Feature number 2, AC with defog. Clear windows faster without overheating the cabin. When the windshield starts fogging up, most people blast heat and hope for the best. Volkswagen's climate system can usually clear fog faster if you use it the way it's designed. The simple trick is, use AC together with defog/defrost. Even in cooler weather, the AC helps remove moisture from the air, which is what fog actually is, so the glass clears quicker and stays clear longer. On many VWs, the car turns the AC on automatically when you press the front defog button. On some, you may need to make sure the AC light is on. Keep the airflow pointed at the windshield and set the fan speed a bit higher for a minute. Feature number 1, one-touch window and sunroof, convenience close. Close everything from the door. Here's a feature many Volkswagen owners don't realize they have until someone shows them once. Then they start using it all the time. If you ever park, step away and think, wait, did I leave a window cracked? You can usually fix that instantly. On many Volkswagens, you can close all the windows, and sometimes the sunroof, by pressing and holding the lock button on the key fob, or by using the door lock cylinder with the mechanical key. Even better, inside the car, many VWs have one-touch window switches. A quick full press takes the window all the way down or all the way up without you holding the button. So before you leave the car, do a quick check, then use the convenience close to secure everything in one move. It's simple, clean, and it makes the car feel properly smart. That's it. Those were 15 hidden Volkswagen features. If you found even one feature you didn't know, hit like, because it helps this video reach more VW owners. And subscribe if you want more simple, practical Volkswagen tips like this. No fluff, just things you can actually use. Now I want to hear from you. Which feature was new to you, and what VW model plus year do you drive? I read the comments, and I can make the next video based on the exact cars you're driving.